In this video, I'm going to show you how I can create a gift card in Shopify. First of all, we are on the home page and then we click down on products. We click on gift cards and I click on create gift card. After I have done this, it automatically generates a gift card code. I can do something myself and I can set the value. Maybe I want this to be at 500. And then I can set an expiration date. As you can see right here, countries have different laws for gift card expiry dates. So make sure to check up on the laws for your specific country. As you can see right here, it expires in 2030 or no expiration date. I normally keep it on no expiration date because that's it's way better for the customer. And I can send this to a customer in a manual mail, or I can add it to a customer if I have customers in my shop. You can also add notes. This is for your personal use. So maybe I can add in created for customer and now I know why I have my gift card. And after this I can click on save and I have now created my gift card.